Hello viewers, Vivo T3 5G has been launched in India with 3 sets of cameras at the back. The main sensor comes with Sony 50 megapixel OIS camera, and the second camera is a 2 megapixel depth sensor, and the third camera is a flicker sensor. The photos taken by the main sensor has optimum amount of detail, as you can see in these photos. In daylight condition you will get great results. Also dynamic range is excellent. In this photo you can see that the sun at the background has a yellowish tinge which looks beautiful. In this photo also the maintenance of the sun is excellent. The Sony sensor performs well in low light scenario. In this daylight shot you can see that all the things are clearly visible and also has excellent detail. In artificial light also the phone captures excellent details with good dynamic range, and also the saturation level is at par. So you can expect very good detailed photo from the Sony 50 megapixel OIS camera. Only camera in this phone is the 50 megapixel main sensor. It has no wide angle camera, and the quality of the main camera seems to be very good. We will talk about it later. Vivo T3 comes with all the necessary camera features, and the app is very intuitive and power packed. You will get all the Vivo features inside this camera app. But one thing is missing in this Vivo camera is the wide angle sensor. Vivo should have provided at least 8 megapixel of wide angle sensor. So if you are someone who likes to take photos with the wide angle sensor, so you cannot do that. Photos taken by the main sensor has good amount of detail. As you can see here in this photo, there is no added saturation, so you can expect close to natural photos. In portrait mode you can expect good amount of blur, as it comes with a depth sensor with this camera setup. Talking about the videography, the phone can shoot up to 4K 30 fps. However, if you want 60 fps you have to switch to 1080p. You can expect a stable footage in videography as it comes with OIS. However, this is the only camera with which you can shoot videography. You cannot use the depth sensor or flicker sensor while shooting videos. In videography also you can expect stabilized footage from the 30 fps videos. However, in 60 fps video you cannot expect too much of stabilization. You can also use the 50 megapixel mode and get more detailed image quality. Normally the phone captures images in 12.5 megapixel, but in case of 50 megapixel there is a pixel binning technology and you will get enough detail in your picture. Now the question arises, should you buy Vivo T3 5G for photography and videography? The answer is no. If you want serious photography and videography, you should avoid this smartphone. There are lots more options in the market where you can get good cameras in the phone. As Vivo T3 is targeted for those audience who want an overall powerful package such as processor, battery, powerful charger and also AMOLED display. In fine, Vivo T3 is a powerful smartphone and value for money product, but it is not a camera centric phone. So you must stay away if you want a very good sets of cameras in your smartphone. So this is the camera review of Vivo T3 5G. I hope you have liked this video. Please hit the like button and share this video with your friends and subscribe the channel.